Hello guys, I am Omar Muhammad Abdul Karim, and this is a demo video about what I done in Project0 or the first project in mobile app development, in CS50 mobile app development with React Native course, and which is about to do a to-do app, our simulation to the basic features in a to-do app, which is there is the page or the project, what I did in the project. There is a button which when I clicked it, I add an to-do item in the list. We have all item count, and we have unchecked count, which is which means the items I haven't done yet. Here I had done one, and I had it done 11 items, and we can check and uncheck. We can also delete items from the list. This is what in the app. We now move to the code. This is the whole the HTML file of the whole page. We have a title here, which is shown up here, and we have title in the page, inside the page, which is here. Also we have the two spans which have the count I mentioned before. We have also a button. When I click it, I call the function new to do, which is in the script, which have the all interactivity in the page, or what happened in the backend. This is the container of the to-do list, which has all of to-do items, and also we have a style sheet which specifies how elements are shown in the page. Now translate to what I mainly done in the project, which is the script file. Firstly, I have what is called in JavaScript an IFI, or immediately invoked function expression. I have three of them. One of them which is a global count, which is maintain the all item the count of all item I added till now. It's return two function, one of which is inc to increment this count, and one of which, and the another to is get to return the value of this count. When I click the new to do button, I increment this count, and also I increment the unchecked items count, and also I increment the whole item count, which is their corresponding IFI are shown up here. I increment or decrement, increment or decrement. I don't need to get it actually, because they are in the unchecked span inner text. تمام. Okay. We have the new item div, which is should be added in the list. It's a style corresponding to do item, which is here, to do container. We have a checkbox and content and the delete button. There, checkbox, content, delete button in every to do item. Checkbox have when I click it, I implement a function which is an event handler, which handle when I click on the checkbox. If the checkbox is checked, I decrement the unchecked count. If unchecked, I increment the unchecked count. We have the content, which is here is a symbol, and for time saving and simplicity, I name it which with item and the value of the global count. We can modify it to anything. And we have lastly delete button, which have the delete word in it. and also when I click it, I call the function modify item, and I pass to it two values. One of them is the checked value of the checkbox in this item, if it's checked or not, and the index of the item in the list, and this is the first item, this is the second, this is the third. I pass it also to this function. Now move to the function which is modify item. I decrement the total item count. If the checkbox is checked, I don't need to decrement the unchecked count. If the checkbox is unchecked, I need to decrement the unchecked count to demonstrate it. We here, this is unchecked, the count is reduced. This is checked, the count is not reduced. We also remove this item from the list, and this is it. We add the checkbox and content and delete button to the new item, and finally we add new item to list. Thank you for watching.